These 3 mistakes are killing your peppers. At first, the seedlings look healthy. They grow, everything seems perfect, and then suddenly they start wilting, stop growing, or simply die. Most people think the problem is the seeds or the weather, but the truth is much simpler. Today, I'll show you 3 mistakes that almost everyone makes, and at the end, a simple fertilizer made from just 2 ingredients that can completely change the growth of your seedlings, so make sure to watch until the end. The first mistake, and the most common one, too much water. It sounds illogical, but water is actually the #1 reason seedlings fail. If the soil is constantly wet, the roots can't get oxygen and they start to rot. The seedlings then look like they're lacking something, but in reality, they are suffocating. Water only when the top layer of soil slightly dries out. The second mistake, one most people don't even notice, not enough light. Pepper seedlings need a lot of light. Without it, they become leggy, weak, and later never produce a good harvest. If you keep them indoors, place them on the brightest window you have. The third mistake, and this is where most people make the biggest problem, over-fertilizing. People want faster growth, so they add strong fertilizers and end up burning the young roots. The seedlings then stop growing or completely fail. Young roots need a mild, gentle feeding, nothing aggressive. And that's exactly why I'm going to show you a simple fertilizer that can make a big difference. In 500 milliliters of lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon of nettle tea. It contains nitrogen, which is essential for leaf growth in the early stages. Then add 1 tablespoon of worm castings. They are rich in easily available nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that strengthen the roots and support steady, stress-free growth. They also improve soil structure and moisture retention. Let it sit for a few hours, then strain it and dilute it with another 500 milliliters of water. Water your peppers every 10 days. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used these ingredients and what results you got. See you in the next video.